This is the session of 19 in which I am going to discuss about the per capita income, its meaning, its importance and difficulties to the computation of per capita income. So first of all, meaning of per capita income. Per capita means the average per person and is often used in place of per person in statistical observances. The phrase is used with economic data or reporting but is also applied to almost any other current occurrence of population description. The next part is importance of per capita income. The importance of per capita income can be explained with the following points. The first point says that purchasing power. Increased per capita income represents a higher purchasing power as the people have more money to spend. With the higher purchasing power, people will demand more and more goods and services. This leads to further investment and production. The next importance is useful for policymakers. In the presence of economic planning, in the process of economic planning, the per capita income data are of great importance. Per capita income data are used by economists to build planning modes of the economy. Without these data, it is difficult to plan for the future. Next one, index of development. Per capita estimates helps in comparing the level of welfare and progress of different countries. With the help of per capita income figures of countries, it can be known which countries are developed and which are developing. Fourth one, income to the government. Per capita income has great practical use to the government of a country. It is useful to the government in the imposition of taxes. Per capita income is the basis of progressive taxation. So, increase in per capita income will increase the revenue of the government. Next one, indicators of standard of life. Per capita income statistics enable us to know about the distribution of income in the country. The figures of per capita income reflect the growth rate of the economy and the standard of living of the people. Next point, measurement of welfare. Per capita income serves as a measurement of welfare of the people within an economy. If the ratio of per capita income rises, it suggests that the people are more prosperous than they have been in the past. Next point, saving and investment. Per capita income divided into consumption expenditure and saving expenditure. When per capita income increases at the same time, there is also saving. Out of the disposable income, the individuals save a part of the income for their security in future. It further leads to increased investment, capital stock, production, employment, etc. of the country. Next point, regional equilibrium. The per capita estimates are useful to know about the regional distribution of income in the country and to remove the inequalities in income distribution. From the data, the government can decide what regions are in need of financial assistance to maintain regional equilibrium. The next part of this session is per capita income difficulties to computation. There are so many difficulties which comes in the way of per capita income calculations. The first one is non-monetary transactions. Second one, small producers. Third one, illegal earnings. Fourth one, double counting. Fifth one, mixed income. So these are the some difficulties in the calculation of per capita income. So this part of session has been referred from some books called Indian Economics written by K.D. Baswa and the Indian Economy written by R.Y.K. and internet sources have also been used for the reference. Thank you.